Did you know this? Research says the prevalence of inguinal hernia in India is estimated to be 1.5 to 2 million. Seventh Day Adventist Medical Center has a well-experienced surgeon who specializes in hernia surgeries.
I'm Dr. K.G. Matthew, Consultant General Laparoscopic and Hernia Surgeon at the Seventh Day Adventist Hospital at Bangalore. I have been practicing surgery for the last 38 years. I do all types of general surgery, advanced gastrointestinal surgery, and for the last 15 years, I have been developing the field of hernia surgeries and presented many advances internationally. 14th November 2023, today we inaugurate the Bangalore Hernia Group of the Bangalore Baptist Hospital and the Seventh Day Adventist Hospital. This is a unique event wherein general surgeons with specialized expertise in hernia surgery in two major hospitals get together to develop and advance the field of hernia surgery. This group envisages to have a hernia registry wherein all cases of hernia will be documented and regularly follow up so that they can be audited and the work improved. The hernia registries are there all over the world, but probably this may be the first hernia registry in India. All this ultimately translates into better hernia care, better care for the patients who are having hernia so that the outcomes are ultimately improved.
Good morning. Greetings from Bangalore Baptist Hospital. I'm Dr. Venkat. I'm head of surgery. I'm a senior consultant in GA surgery, minimal access surgery, bariatric surgery, and hernia surgery. Today we are going to talk about hernia. Hernia is a major problem in the community, and it's the most common problem people come across. The only treatment for a hernia is surgical management. So, when the numbers are big, it requires standardization, then protocols to be set in so that the outcomes of the surgeries are better. In this regard, two great institutions in Bangalore Baptist Hospital and SD Hospital, we are collaborating as a hernia group to look at the better outcomes in hernia surgeries.
If you or you know someone who is suffering from hernia, please give us a call on our dedicated number to speak to a hernia nurse at 8341523866. 8341523866.